Hi guys, welcome back to our channel Finance for Beginners. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to download and install Good Budget app in your device. Good Budget app is a personal finance app that utilizes the envelope budgeting method to help you manage your money. Now moving on to the video, first of all go to your Play Store or App Store. Then search Good Budget. There you can see Good Budget. Tap on it. Then press install. It might take a while to install the app depending upon your internet speed. Once the app has been installed, open Good Budget app to help you manage your finances and budget. This much for today's video. If you guys find our video helpful, please leave a like and comment. And do not forget to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. I'll see you guys again in our next video. Thank you for watching.